friends, today I am going to show you how to do second fermentation of kombucha or any other fermented drink and which kind of bottle you need for second fermentation. I will also share 2 quick and simple recipes for second fermentation which taste amazing. This will be very helpful for beginners who are thinking to start second fermentation of kombucha or any other fermented drinks. This is my kombucha jar where I keep all my SCOBY too. I just add black tea with sugar time to time to feed my SCOBYs, and when want to make kombucha I just add more tea and take out some kombucha after 5 days. Going to use this flip top bottle in which we can do complete airtight fermentation. In my first recipe I am using celery with kombucha. I am going to use 150 ml celery juice and remaining will be kombucha for this 600 ml bottle. Since celery doesn't have any sweetness, I am going to add 1 spoon sugar so that there will be some food left for yeast and bacteria and it will create more fizz. So here I am taking kombucha to celery ratio as 3:1. We'll leave some headspace, not too much, so that the pressure will be efficiently managed. Now I am going to use another normal bottle which is not flip top. Here you can't keep it fully airtight, but if you keep the cap very tight it will be fine. Here I am going to use only 50 ml fresh orange juice which is very sweet. So kombucha to orange juice ratio is 9:1 and no sugar added. I suggest if you are a beginner, use plastic soda bottle. Totally risk free. Even if you keep it longer, there will be not much risk. When the bottle become hard, put back in refrigerator. We'll keep the cap very tight. Covering back the kombucha jar with kitchen towel, I need to add more tea to get more kombucha later. Here also leaving some headspace. Both the bottles looking fabulous. Let's see which one makes more fizz. The benefit of normal flip top bottle is you get lots of fizz and carbonation since CO2 can't go out and oxygen can't go in. But at the same time it's too risky if you keep longer. Not all flip top bottles are suitable for the pressure built during anaerobic fermentation, hence they can explode. If you are brewing drink which needs anaerobic fermentation for longer period, look for bottles made for that kind of fermentation. There are plenty. This one I bought from IKEA for $390. But generally if you keep for maximum 2 days in tropical weather, it should be fine. Before opening, make sure to put in a refrigerator for few hours so that the pressure will be reduced in cold temperature. This is after 2 days. I kept in refrigerator when 2 days over for few hours and now just took out 1 hour ago. You can see here the celery pulp settled at the bottom and the color change a bit. Same happened to orange. This happened due to little oxidation occurred during the fermentation. This is not fully airtight, hence I don't expect a lot of fizz and kombucha overflowing. But to be safe, just using a plate below. After what happened to my Kvass, I am scared to open any bottles and asking every time to my husband to open the bottle. And look at this. So much activities going on inside. I think he is also scared to open if it will overflow. Just wait for some times. This is my favorite time pass. I can't tell you how much happiness it brings when you see lots of fizz, bubbles and carbonation in your home brewing. The happiness comes from the fact that all this happened without adding any artificial gas or any unhealthy ingredients. The happiness of creating a drink with so much health benefits and so excellent in taste with natural soda effect is unbeatable. I'm scared it will overflow. When you see your fermentation is so active, put the bottle in a big bowl to avoid any wastage. And when you opening, make sure to open in the sink so that if anything overflowing will not make a mess. Look at the bottle. It's dancing. And here you go. This is the right time to pour the kombucha in glass, but I am just leaving it to show you how much carbonation is possible in normal bottle. Adding some cinnamon sticks for extra flavor, you can add fresh mint or any other fresh herbs of your choice while serving. Let's see what happened to celery in flip top bottle. During this home quarantine, we are working as a team, hence the joy of fermenting became double. The bottle looked very flat, so I just wanted to ensure everything is okay and shake a bit. And here you go. But you can see the fizziness is slightly lower than orange kombucha because of less sweetness in celery. I think 1 spoon sugar was not sufficient to create lots of fizz, but it's still not that bad. So the conclusion is airtight bottle is important, but adding sugary fruits or sugar is equally important if you want lots of fizz and carbonation. Also, you don't really need airtight or flip top bottle to go for second fermentation. You can still have fizz and enough carbonation in normal bottle if you add right fruits and keep for longer. If you like this video, please comment below, give me a thumbs up, subscribe with bell notification, and I will come back again with other fermentation videos. See you again.